Hey everyone, welcome to the Dimidrone channel, and today we're going to soar over the Świnoujście coastline and learn a bit of history about this place. Let's go! Welcome to Świnoujście, a charming seaside town located on the northern coast of Poland, nestled between the Baltic Sea and Szczecin Lagoon, known for its stunning beaches, historic landmarks and natural beauty. Świnoujście is one of Poland's hidden gems. Świnoujście history is as fascinating as its geography. The town is spread across 44 islands, though only 3, Uznam, Wolin and Karsibor, are inhabited. Its unique location has shaped its history for centuries, dating back to the 20th century when the first Slavic tribes settled in the area. However, Świnoujście really began to thrive in the 18th century when it was established as a seaport for the Kingdom of Prussia. Świnoujście isn't just about history and maritime safety, it's also a town full of quirks and fun facts. For instance, Świnoujście holds a fascinating geographic title. It's the westernmost town in Poland. In fact, if you are standing on the beach, you can take just a few steps and cross into Germany. Now, no visit to Świnoujście would be complete without seeing the town's most iconic landmark, the Świnoujście Lighthouse. Standing an impressive 68 meters tall, it's the tallest lighthouse on the Baltic Sea and one of the tallest brick lighthouses in the world. Built in 1857, this lighthouse has been guiding ships safely into the harbor for more than 160 years. If you're feeling adventurous, you can climb the 308 steps to the top, where you will be rewarded with a breathtaking panoramic view of the surrounding islands and sea. And speaking of borders, did you know that Świnoujście is one of the few places in Poland where ferries are an essential part of daily life? There are no bridges connecting the islands within the town, so residents and visitors alike rely on ferries to get around. It's all part of charm of living on this archipelago. Whether you are here to explore its rich history, relax on its golden beaches, or simply take in the stunning views from the lighthouse, Świnoujście is something for everyone. It's a town where nature, history and adventure come together to create an unforgettable experience. So next time you are planning a coastal getaway, don't forget to put Świnoujście on your map. This seaside town might just surprise you with its beauty, its history and its charm. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to support the channel by subscribing on it and like this video. Keep traveling and discover new locations. See you soon. Bye bye.